Welcome to Sewing Basics! Herringbone Stitch.
In today's tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to do the herringbone stitch. This stitch is similar to a cross stitch X, except that it crisscrosses at the top and at the bottom, so it is not a perfect symmetrical X. So you can see here that I enter the fabric in and out, going in the opposite direction that I want my stitches to go. And by doing that, it crisscrosses the thread. So here you can see I went in and back out for the top of the herringbone. Now I'm going to repeat the process at the bottom. I go in and back out with my thread at the bottom. My stitches are going left to right, but you must enter the fabric going right and coming back out left. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!